Oh my god. I need to get my water. Hold on. BRB. Oh, that was a very intense stretch. Wait. Yeah, it's one of those stretches where it just keeps going. Oh, that was a good stretch.
A few minutes later.
Oh, stretch! Oh my god. Oh. Mission success! Thank you so much, everyone! Wait, what's the time? Wait, okay, so I need to get... I have an hour. I can sleep for an hour. An hour and 15 minutes if I sleep right now. And I'm gonna go get some ingredients. I'm gonna get my soup, make my soup, and I'm gonna wash my hair, and then I'm gonna get ready, drink my soup, and then take a picture of the soup, and I'll put it up on the membership. Yeah.